My name is Fatiaro Daeli.
Hello, my name is Kristina Erniwati Zega.
Hello, my name is Ravena Dewi Ahmad Telaumbanua from class A semester 3.
Hello everyone, my name is Agus Kriswinar Larosa, class A, 3rd semester.
Hello, I'm Antonius Puliter Zalukhu, class A, semester 5.
Hello, my name is Feberliana Halawa from class A, semester 5. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. And now we are going to explain to you about the animals. What is animals? So animals is a living organism that feeds on organic matter. They typically have specialized sense organs and nervous system and able to respond rapidly to scientists sort the different types of animals in the world into categories based on certain characteristics. Animals are generally grouped into 6 types of animals. The system for animal classification is called taxonomy. All animals belong to a biological kingdom called kingdom. All animals belong to a biological kingdom called kingdom Animalia. This kingdom is broken down into over 30 groups or phyla, plural from of phylum. Animals with a backbone are vertebrates. Vertebrates belong to the phylum called phylum Chordata. Vertebrates are further broken down into 5 classes: amphibians, birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. Animals without a backbone are invertebrates. Most invertebrates are in the phylum. About 75% of all species on Earth are animals. Animals are then broken down into types: vertebrates and Right, now I want to tell you about amphibians. So amphibians, they are cold blooded, and so they are absorb water and breathe through their thin skin. And also they have at least one special skin grain used for defense. And then most follow the life cycle of egg, larva, and adult. So you can find examples of amphibians all around the world, like frogs, newts, salamander, and toads. So that's all about animals and amphibians.
Hi everyone, good day. How are you today? Hopefully you are fine and stay healthy. Today we will learn together. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about animals. Do you ever hear about animals? Or do you ever see about animals? Or do you have animals in your house? Okay student, now we will learn about the name of animal, especially in bird and fish. Do you ever see about fish and bird? I believe you ever hear that. So, because our topic today is about animal, so for all my students, I will show you some picture about animals, bird and fish. For the first is bird. I will show you the picture of bird. This is Tiring. This is the picture of bird. The name of bird is dove. Dove. Repeat after me. Dove. Dove. One more. Dove. Yes, this is the dove. Okay, let's see another picture about bird. And the next is this is parrot. The name of bird is parrot. Repeat after me. Parrot. Once more. Parrot. The name of bird is parrot. Okay, let's see another bird. This is. Do you ever hear this bird? I usually see the bird in the church. Yes, right? Do you ever see in the church? Okay, the name of bird is sparrow. Repeat after me. Sparrow. Once more. Sparrow. Yes. The name of bird is sparrow. Usually, the bird is live in the air and perch in the tree. Well, let's still learn another animal about fish. Do you ever hear about fish? Do you like eating fish? I believe you like eating fish. Okay, for the first is this is. What this is? This is goldfish. Repeat after me. Goldfish. Once more. Goldfish. Usually fish is live in the sea. Okay, let's see another picture. Dolphin. Yes, do you like dolphin? This is the dolphin. Repeat after me. Dolphin. Once more. Dolphin. Okay, let's see. This is the snapper. Do you ever hear the snapper? Usually, this fish is seen in the deep sea. This is snapper. Please repeat after me. Snapper. Once more. Snapper. Okay. That's all our listen about animals. That will continue another members to explain to you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This time I will explain the continue of our material, which is all about mammals. Mammals are another type of vertebrate that belong to the class Mammalia. Young mammals get nourishment from milk produced by their mothers. Young mammals get nourishment from milk produced by their mothers. Most mammals have hair. Their jaw is hinged directly to their skull, unlike all other vertebrates. Almost all mammals give birth to live babies. There are endothermic or warm-blooded. Examples of mammals: bats, elephants, hamsters, humans, rabbits, and whales. Alright, that's all my explanation. Thank you.
Okay, next, reptile. Reptile, or in Latin reptans, meaning creeping or creeping, are a group of cold-blooded vertebrates and have scales covering their bodies. Reptiles are theropod animals with 4 legs and lay eggs whose embryos are covered by an amniotic membrane. Reptiles are thought to be the first vertebrates to live completely on land, but not all reptiles live only on land today. They are cold-blooded or ectothermic. 1. They lay eggs to reproduce. 2. They have 4 legs or discarded from animals with 4 legs. 3. They breathe through lungs. 4. Their bodies are covered in scales or scutes. Example of reptile. Different species of reptiles can be teething or hugged. Number 1. Crocodiles. 2. Peacocks. 3. Lizards. 4. Sea turtles. 5. Snakes. 6. Tortoises. 7. Turtles. Okay, and that's all my explanation. Thank you.
Good morning, my students. How are you today? Okay, good. Today we will learn about animals. We will continue our material before about animals. So today we will learn especially about invertebrate animals. Okay, you can see in these pictures, about invertebrates. So before we continue our material today, we must know what is invertebrates. So invertebrates is animals that do not have a big bone. And then example of invertebrates. So example invertebrates, the first anemone or Sidaria. The second is flatworms or platyhelminthes. One example that we discussed today is the planaria worms or platyhelminthes. About planaria worm. You can see this picture, my students. You can see. Okay, good. Okay, we continue. These planaria worms, these planaria worms usually live in clean and clear ponds or rivers. These planaria worms usually live in clean and clear ponds or rivers. Okay, the characteristic of these worms has a height of about 0.5 to 2.5 centimeters. Okay, these planaria worms are usually transparent white. They have a pair of ears for to detect light. You understand? Okay, good. Okay, we continue, my students. These planaria worms develop vegetatively by means of fragmentation. Fragmentation is the production of animals by dividing parts of their bodies. For example, if we cut a worms into two, then there will appear new worms again. There they will undergo a process of regeneration or replacement of the missing body parts. Later, the amount produced. Why can? Because planaria worms contain a Kell step that spins up the regeneration process or neobase Kell step. Okay, my students, that's all our material today. I hope all of you can understand. Okay, see you next week.